Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. I'm back again with a new product or a tasting review. I have ordered all these food from a company, online company and an app-based company called Oota Box. They recently contacted me and they said, why don't you try our dishes from our company? The specialty about this company is all these meals are curated and created by home chefs. It's not from restaurants. It's all purely cooked at home and served to your doorstep or to your office once you pre-order it. So I really like this concept, and I happen to order a large batch of food for my family. I'm going to be showing you how I ordered this. It's a very simple process. You just have to log on to OotaBox, and once you log on to OotaBox, you have to create your ID, and from the account you can start choosing your area or your state, that is either Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi. They are located in 6 different locations, so that's something really wonderful. They're located in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Delhi, and Mumbai. So wherever you're located, please choose your location, and from there you can choose your area, and from the area you can choose whatever dishes you want, and you can add it to your account and you can check out. So it's a wonderful way of you know giving an opportunity for the person who is ready to cook for you, and it's also healthy in terms of meals. All our home cooked food is all hygienically cooked and it's neatly packaged, so that's something I really liked. And all the dishes on their website, it's all within 120, 150. It's nothing is more than 200. So you can just go choose your dish and time when you want it to be delivered, but you have to schedule your order a day before. You have to schedule your order and you have to choose the dish, place the time you want it for lunch or dinner, and you have to place an order. They have also given a detailed description about every dish. So my location was very near to Manyata Tech Park in Bangalore, so that's where all the food came from. I really liked it. I'm going to be showing you the app based as well. I did show you the online based, the same works on app based as well. So it's all about pre-scheduling your food, ordering it prior, and then getting it shipped to your office or to your house. So there are many people who come out for work and they're feeling homesick and they want something good to eat, some substantial meal, some good home cooked meal. They can definitely offer Oota Box. They do have vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. I, however, had opted only non-vegetarian for my family. And you can definitely also purchase masalas, desserts. You can pre-order for a large party gathering, and apart from that they also sell a wide range of pickles and sauces on their website. If you go to their website you will get to know. It's a wonderful way and a concept of giving an opportunity to a home chef and also to taste home cooked meal which is prepared with all love, and they ship it out to you. It's wonderful. So I'm just going to be showing you what are all the dishes that I purchased, and I'll also post a detailed blog review. The detailed review will be in the description box below this video, along with my blog. In my blog, I've got detailed pictures and a detailed review. If you wish to visit my blog, you can visit. The link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. All my recipe videos are translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. A few product reviews are also translated and posted on YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now I've gone ahead and shown you all the dishes that I purchased. Out of all these that I purchased was the Mutton Phaal, Kheema Aloo, and the meatballs. I really like that. I must thank the person who's cooked for me and shipped this order for me. They have wonderful and healthy home cooked meals. That is something I really liked from Oota Box. Link to Oota Box will also be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. And thanks to Oota Box for choosing my channel to showcase your product to my viewers. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye-bye.